Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other night I went out for a drink with a couple of old friends of mine. And one of the strange things about this little group is we're all parents and we all have 2 kids. So we often end up talking about parenthood, problems we've got with our children, how the kids are getting on and so on. And we ended up talking about what terrible role models all of our own parents were when it came to setting an example to us as young boys for how to help with bringing up children. All 3 of us had dads who were drinkers, who never really changed nappies, who never really did their fair share of the housework. The kind of dads who would go down the pub on a Sunday afternoon, have a few pints, come back home drunk, expecting to find their Sunday dinner on the table. All 3 of us have tried to be quite different to this. We've learned from the negative examples they've set us. And I'd like to think that all 3 of us have managed to be quite hands-on dads, quite hands-on parents, in that we've changed our fair share of nappies, we've spent our fair share of sleepless nights holding screaming babies, we've done our fair share of school runs and cooking and shopping for kids' clothes and all that kind of thing. If you say that someone is quite hands-on, you basically mean that they like to be involved in dealing with things and organising things. They like to be involved in the decision-making process. So you can talk about being a hands-on dad or a hands-on parent. You might also talk about your boss being a very hands-on manager. Someone who's not afraid to get their hands dirty. Someone who'll go and talk to everyone involved in the company and do her fair share of the dirty work if needs be. Maybe you've applied for jobs and found out that actually having a bit of hands-on experience is often valued more than having academic qualifications. Academic qualifications show that you understand the theory quite well. Hands-on experience shows that you're practical, that you've had practical experience. We also often talk about people having a hands-on approach. So maybe for me, when I was learning to be a teacher, I did a master's degree, which was quite theoretical, quite academic. I did my master's in teaching English as a second language. I also did a DELTA degree, a DELTA course, which involved quite a lot of theory, but which adopted a lot more of a hands-on approach. You can also do hands-on training where, you actually do practical stuff that helps you learn how to do things in a real practical kind of way. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use hands-on.